If your daily work follows the same pattern, if the inputs are similar, if the outputs look the same, you need to pay attention. Artificial intelligence does not eliminate humans randomly. It eliminates patterns. If your value is pattern execution, you are exposed. Predictable work means you receive structured inputs, you apply a repeatable process, you produce standardized outputs. Sound familiar? If your job heavily relies on templates, standardized reports, recurring analysis, scripted communication, or defined best practices, that is structured pattern work. AI thrives there. If your job can be explained as a checklist, it can be trained. If it can be trained, it can be automated. If it can be automated, it will be. Not because you're bad, because it's efficient. The most exposed roles are pattern-heavy roles: reporting, coordination, process enforcement, documentation, entry-level strategic synthesis. These roles are structured. Structured equals learnable. AI struggles with ambiguity, human politics, conflicting incentives, strategic trade-offs under uncertainty. If your job lives here, you are safer. If not, you need to evolve. The future does not reward executors. It rewards architects. Architects design systems. Executors run them. AI will run the systems. You must design them. Start by automating your own work. If you can replace yourself with AI, you are thinking correctly. Then redesign the workflow. Stop owning tasks. Start owning results. Become the person who directs the AI, not the one competing with it. Predictable work feels safe. It's stable, reliable, clear. But predictable work is exactly what machines are built for. Comfort is the early signal warning. You still have time, but time belongs to people who move early. Redesign your role. Increase ambiguity. Own decisions, or risk becoming the pattern. Click on the icon to subscribe and make sure you don't miss the rest of the series.